Abacus AI just released Deep Agent with browser automation that runs while you sleep, and it's doing something neither OpenAI's Atlas nor Perplexity's Comet can touch. This thing actually schedules itself to wake up, open a browser, complete tasks, and send you the results at whatever time you set. We're talking about an AI that applies to jobs for you at 3 a.m., scrapes LinkedIn leads while you're having breakfast, and tests your website every hour without you lifting a finger. Here's what makes this different. Every other AI browser out there needs you to prompt it. You ask, it acts, then it stops. Deep Agent keeps going. You tell it once to check competitor prices every morning at 7 a.m., and it does exactly that. Forever. It opens Chrome, navigates to the sites you specified, pulls the data, creates a spreadsheet, and drops it in your inbox before you've even had coffee. The browser control is visual too. You can watch this thing move the cursor, click buttons, fill out forms, and navigate websites exactly like a human would. But unlike hiring a virtual assistant, this one costs $10 a month and never takes a day off. Let me give you a real example of what this looks like. Say you're job hunting. You upload your resume, give it a list of job boards, and tell it to apply to every new posting that matches your criteria. Deep Agent will open each job listing, read the requirements, fill out the application, answer screening questions, upload your documents, and track everything in a spreadsheet. Then tomorrow at whatever time you set, it does it again with all the new postings. You could literally wake up to 50 completed applications every single morning. Or imagine you run an e-commerce store. You can have Deep Agent log into your competitors' websites every day. Check their prices, monitor their new products, screenshot their promotions, and compile everything into a report. It's not just scraping static data. It's actually navigating these sites, clicking through product pages, and gathering intelligence like a real person would. The technical setup is surprisingly simple. You log into the Abacus AI dashboard, create a new task, toggle on browser use, and describe what you want in plain English. Find 20 marketing agencies in London, get their contact details, and draft personalized outreach emails. Download all invoices from my accounting portal every Friday. Test my checkout process hourly and alert me if anything breaks. Whatever you describe, it figures out the steps and executes them. What's clever about this system is how it handles authentication. Once you log into a site through Deep Agent, it maintains that session state. So you don't need to keep providing credentials. It remembers your login and uses it for all future automated runs. Everything happens in a secure, virtualized Chrome environment that's completely isolated from other users. The scheduling options are where this really shines. You can set tasks to run hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can chain tasks together so one triggers after another completes. You can even set conditions. Only scrape data if the website has updated. Only apply to jobs if the salary is above a certain threshold. Only send the report if anomalies are detected. And because this is built on Abacus AI's chat LLM platform, you're not locked into one AI model. You can switch between Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, or Grok depending on which performs best for your specific task. The browser automation works with all of them seamlessly. They've also integrated something called Deep Agent Listener, which is a desktop companion that can watch your screen and transcribe meetings in real time. Combine that with the browser automation, and you've got an AI that can attend your Zoom call, take notes, then automatically update your CRM and send follow-up emails to everyone who attended. All without you doing anything. The practical applications are endless. Real estate agents are using it to monitor new listings and automatically compile property reports. Recruiters have it scanning LinkedIn and sending connection requests with personalized messages. Researchers use it to track academic papers and create literature reviews. Small businesses have it handling invoice downloads, expense tracking, and vendor communications. Performance-wise, Abacus claims their browser automation completes tasks twice as fast as Comet or Atlas because of optimized latency between the reasoning and execution steps. In demos, you can see it generating 15 qualified leads with custom emails in under 60 seconds. That same task would take a human at least an hour. The pricing is aggressive too. $10 a month gets you full access to browser automation, scheduling, and all the chat LLM features. When you consider that automating even one daily 30-minute task saves you 15 hours a month, the math is obvious. This is the kind of tool that makes you rethink what you actually need to do manually. Every repetitive browser task you do, checking prices, monitoring competitors, applying for opportunities, downloading documents, updating spreadsheets, can now run on autopilot. And unlike other AI agents that need constant hand-holding, this one just works. Set it once, and it keeps delivering results day after day. If you want to try it yourself, head to deepagent.abacus.ai. They're even running weekly competitions where users showcase their automation workflows and win up to $2,500. But honestly, the real prize is getting hours of your life back while an AI handles the boring stuff 24/7. All right, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.